Can I ask you something simple but very important?
Sure, what is it?
What are you having for dinner tonight?
Honestly, I haven't decided yet. I'm tired, so I want something easy.
Same here. After a long day, thinking about food feels harder than work itself.
Exactly. You're hungry, but you don't want to think too much.
That's when simple food feels like happiness.
Simple food and a quiet evening, that's all I want today. Do you usually cook or do you order food?
It depends on my energy. When I'm tired, I order something simple.
I understand that. Cooking needs mental energy too.
Yes, choosing what to cook is already tiring.
But on good days, cooking feels relaxing.
I agree, especially when I cook slowly.
No rush, no pressure.
What's your favorite tired day food?
Rice and eggs, very simple but comforting.
That sounds nice. Mine is soup.
Soup feels warm and safe.
Yes, it feels like someone is taking care of you.
Food can feel emotional sometimes.
Definitely. It's not just about taste.
Do you like going to the grocery store?
I do, but only when it's not crowded.
Same. I like walking slowly and choosing things calmly.
I enjoy looking at fresh vegetables.
Me too. It feels grounding.
Like you're connected to real life again.
Not screens, not emails, just food.
Sometimes cooking feels like a small ritual for me.
That's a nice way to say it.
Cutting vegetables, washing dishes, it slows my thoughts.
I feel the same when I cook.
It's like meditation, but with food.
And you get to eat at the end.
Best reward.
Do you eat fast or slow?
I try to eat slowly now.
I'm still learning that.
Eating fast makes me feel rushed.
Eating slowly makes the meal last longer.
And you enjoy it more.
It turns a simple meal into a good moment.
Some foods remind me of my childhood.
Same here. Certain smells bring back memories.
My mother's cooking always makes me emotional,
Food connects us to people we love.
even when they're far away.
That's powerful. Do you enjoy eating alone or with others?
Both. Alone feels peaceful, together feels warm.
I like sharing meals with close people.
Talking while eating feels natural
It slows time.
and makes food taste better. I think food is one of life's small joys,
I agree. It's something we do every day.
but we often forget to enjoy it.
Simple meals, simple life.
That sounds nice.
It does. Talking about food makes me feel relaxed.
Me too. It reminds me to slow down.
Tonight, I'll cook something simple.
I will too.
Enjoy your meal, Anna.
You too, Tom. Tom, can I ask you something a bit personal?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Do you think relationships get harder as we grow older?
I think they get more real, less fantasy, more responsibility.
That's true. When you're younger, everything feels simple.
Now, feelings come with choices and consequences.
Sometimes that feels heavy.
Yes, but also more meaningful. When people talk about love, they often think about big moments,
But real love is in small things.
like checking in after a long day,
Or listening even when you're tired.
or making time even when life feels busy.
Those small actions matter more than words.
They show care without saying much.
I think trust is the hardest part of any relationship.
I agree. Trust takes time to build.
And only a moment to break.
That's why communication is so important,
Talking honestly, even when it's uncomfortable.
especially when it's uncomfortable,
Silence can create distance.
while conversation brings people closer.
Do you feel work affects relationships?
Definitely. Stress follows you home.
Sometimes you're physically there, but mentally absent.
Yes, and not can hurt the people close to you.
That's why boundaries are important.
Leaving work at work, when possible.
It's not easy, but it's necessary. Do you think friendship is important in love?
Absolutely. Friendship is the foundation.
I feel the same. Love without friendship feels unstable.
Friends laugh together, support each other.
They feel comfortable in silence.
That comfort is powerful.
It makes relationships last longer.
Do you think past relationships teach us something?
Yes, even painful ones.
They show us what we need and what we don't.
They help us understand ourselves better.
Every experience shapes us,
Even the ones we wish we could forget.
especially those ones.
I think patience is underrated in relationships.
Very much so.
People grow at different speeds.
Understanding that takes maturity.
Love isn't about changing someone.
It's about growing together.
Slowly, with care.
Support doesn't always mean giving advice.
Sometimes it just means being there.
Listening without fixing.
Sitting quietly together.
That kind of presence feels safe.
It reminds you you're not alone.
Good relationships help us grow.
They encourage us to be better.
Not perfect, just better.
More honest, more kind,
More patient.
more understanding.
I'm glad we talked about this tonight.
Me too. It feels grounding.
Love, trust, and connection, they matter.
In all kinds of relationships.
Let's not forget that.
We won't.
Anna, do you ever feel like Friday evening has a special kind of silence?
Yes, it's different from other evenings. It feels lighter, like the week is finally letting go.
I feel that too. My body relaxes before my mind does.
Same here. My thoughts are still running, but slower than usual.
At least they're slowing down.
That's already a small victory. So, do you have any big plans this weekend?
Not really, and honestly, that makes me happy.
Me too. I used to feel bad about having no plans.
Like you were wasting time.
Exactly. But now I see it differently.
Doing nothing can be very important.
Yes, especially after a busy week.
My favorite part of the weekend is the morning.
Same. No alarm, no rush.
Just waking up naturally.
Making coffee slowly, sitting quietly.
Not checking messages right away.
That part is hard, but it feels so good. What do you usually do on a quiet weekend?
I read a little, clean slowly, maybe cook something simple.
That sounds nice.
Nothing exciting, but very calming.
I like walking without a destination.
Just letting your feet decide.
Exactly.
Do you ever feel guilty for resting on the weekend?
Sometimes, like I should be improving myself.
I feel that pressure too.
But rest is part of improvement.
Yes, a tired mind can't grow.
Learning to rest is learning too. On weekends, I enjoy small things more.
Like what?
Good food, clean sheets, quiet rooms.
Those things feel luxurious in a simple way.
Yes, comfort without noise.
Life feels kinder like that. Do you prefer weekends alone or with people?
A mix of both. Alone time first.
Then meeting someone you actually want to see.
Exactly. Not out of obligation.
That makes conversations more meaningful.
And more honest. Weekends help me think about the past week.
Me too. What went well, what didn't.
Without judging myself too harshly.
That's important.
We're all learning as we go.
1 week at a time. By Sunday evening, I start preparing mentally for Monday.
Same, but more gently now.
Lower expectations?
More realistic ones.
That sounds healthier.
I think so too.
Talking about weekends makes me want to slow down even more.
Me too. It's a good reminder.
Life doesn't need to be busy all the time.
Sometimes quiet is enough.
Have a restful weekend, Anna.
You too, Tom.